নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সংস্কৃতির তরফ থেকে আপনাদের সকলকে স্বাগত জানাই। আশা করি আপনারা এবং আপনার কাছের লোকেরা সবাই সুস্থ আছেন, ভালো আছেন, সুস্থ থাকুন, এটাই কামনা করি। সুতরাং আজকের এপিসোডটা হচ্ছে ক্রেপ বেনারসি এবং তার সাথে সাথে আমি কোরা বেনারসিও দেখাবো, কারণ আপনাদের সকলের ক্রেপ বেনারসির ওপর আপনারা তো ওয়েট করেই আছেন। তার সাথে কিছু কোরা বেনারসিও হয়ে এসছে, বুনে এসছে, অল হ্যান্ড ওভেন কোরাস, তো সেগুলো আমি দেখাবো অ্যালং উইথ ক্রেপ বেনারসি। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1 কোরা দিয়ে শুরু করি। এটা হচ্ছে পিওর হ্যান্ড ওভেন কোরা বেনারসি from Benares, hand woven by master weavers. Just check out the beautiful woven border. It's a combination of burgundy and rani combination. Just see the intricate weave. It's hand woven. One side will have a comparatively broader border than the upper border. This is the pallu part and price 13,900 with all over antique zari buta. Heavy quality pure Kora silk Banarasi. Its Koras are pure silk sheer fabric. This is the blouse piece. It's in Rani color. The blouse piece will be in Rani color and the whole sari will be in burgundy with buta. So this is the sari. I am draping it so you can have a look at how it will the product after draping. This is the look. It's a lovely piece, lovely combination. 13,900, product number 1. And now comes product number 2. It's a very unique shade of red and burgundy color. Lovely shade of deep red with burgundy. This is the burgundy color border, the same border as the previous one, and again all over buta antique zari. This is the pallu part of it. Here is the lovely woven pallu. Similarly, one side will be narrow border and the other side will be broader border. Heavy quality, these are all heavy quality koras, not the lightweight one. These are the heavy quality, and this is the lovely alternate shade of the blouse piece. It's in burgundy. This is the sari. It's a real beauty, pure Kora silk Banarasi. And when you wear it with this blouse itself, it will look really grand. Now I'll show you one new color that has come. It's mustard with red. This is a lovely new shade of mustard and red combination. It's deep red, antique zari of course. Those who were wanting little other colors other than burgundy and wines, so this is a new shade that has come. Just see the border, all antique zari. It's a woven border. 13,900 antique zari, and here goes the whole sari with lovely deep red blouse piece. Just see the blouse piece. This is the beautiful deep red blouse piece. This is the sari, mustard and deep red. Another rich color where the bride's mother can wear or the mother-in-law can wear. It can be a beautiful gift for parents to give mothers also. See, this is in beige with deep red, and all this also in antique zari. These have just been woven. So this is the extra thread that I just have to throw it away. Okay. This is the look. Absolutely hand woven with small antique zari buta all over. Just see the lovely zari buta, and this combination is very rich combination because it's in deep beige and along with it, it has a deep red lovely blouse piece, a very traditional combination, and it, for rituals these kind of combinations look very nice, and even it looks very rich for all age group, not only the elderly people, even the youngsters can carry this color very well. This is a lovely combination, and this price is also number 4, 13,900. So whichever you are liking the product, all you have to do is take the screenshot of the product along with the description, the number that is provided in the description. So you have to take the screenshot of the product, send it to one of the numbers that is provided in the telephone numbers. One of you have to WhatsApp me. Once I confirm you the availability, I will give you the bank details. Courier charges are applicable for all shipments even in Kolkata. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata with an extra charge, and outside Kolkata we are shipping regularly, so that is also possible. In Kolkata also we can ship it to you if you don't want cash on delivery, whichever is convenient to you. And we have the tailoring unit. We can do the tailoring also, provided we get the proper measurements. We'll give you the patterns which you can send me the measurements. We'll take around 10 to 2 weeks time to do the stitching, and we'll ship it to you. This is a lovely shade of golden yellow and red combination, another combination in Kora silk Banarasi. A beautiful shade of bright golden yellow along with deep red, all hand wovens, handloom product in antique gold. This is a lovely shade. I think this is a very gorgeous and a rich shade. It's a kind of a kacha holud color. Now comes another rich combination of black and red with choti booty. A beautiful shade of black and deep red. I would love to show you the weave of the borders. All the borders are hand woven, absolutely well polished, and the finish, just check out the finish, pure Karwal borders. These are all hand Karwal borders. 13,900, fully woven. Sanskriti, there won't be any doubt about the quality. You can be sure whatever we are showing, the exact same piece will only reach you. This is the blouse piece. This is the sari. After payment, within 2 to 3 working days, we will be couriering it to you. 13,900, product number 6. And within India, you will receive in 5 to 6 working days. Outside India, abroad, you will receive within 7 working days. 7 to 10 working days, depends on the destination. And if there is Saturday, Sunday in between, or any holiday, so it depends on the the time when we are sending. That's it. This is in magenta and purple combination. Rich magenta with purple. These fabrics are very much in fashion, very beautiful saris, and the look is really grand. 13,900, all more or less the same price, because only the colors change and the butta and the border is slightly different. Otherwise all the saris are same fabric, only difference is in the weave and the combinations. See the lovely blouse piece. This is the blouse piece in purple. Beautiful combination. You know why I keep showing this? Because maybe I've shown you these combinations before, but since the border weave is different, like I remember I'd shown you this combination earlier, but the border butta has changed. Because we usually keep one piece of each product, or probably maybe 2 pieces of each product of these hand woven ones. So there will be little bit difference in the combination in the buta or the weave of the border, even if the combination is same, but just for that little difference I keep showing you these products so that what you see you receive that. This is a dark green color, emerald green with purple combination, a very unique combination of green and purple. 13,900 green purple combination of pure silk Banarasi Kora. You can call them organza also, organza Banarasi. Both are same fabric, we just have named it in two different names. This is the blouse piece in purple. Both the branches are open. Sundays we remain closed, rest of the days 10 to 8 we are open every day with limited staffs. So please you can visit the stores, and if you want to do shopping sitting at home, of course there is all options, and you can check out our Facebook page also, where we are uploading photographs of new collections also. Even these will be uploaded. Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, the link is already provided in the, you can check out the description part, the link is already given. So you can just check out our Facebook page, the photo albums, all the prices and the pictures are uploaded along with the material, the price and everything will be mentioned openly, no hide and seek. So this is double border, both side border, same breadth, the borders both sides same breadth border with Konya Buta, 13,900 Konya Buta. These have just been, here. This is the corner buta. This is the pallu in midnight blue and magenta combination. Midnight blue and magenta. See the blouse piece. Rich combination. All over chota buta, and there's another green and red also. This is also in viridian green with red corner buta. Lovely shade of red and green, and here also product number 10. Just a minute. Yeah, product number 10. This is the Konya Buta, green and red combination. Green and red combination, product number 10. Both sides same border, dark green. It's a lovely deep green color combination. And here is the red blouse piece, a beautiful red blouse piece which you can make and wear it with other saris also. Most traditional saris we have red or rani, so these will go with a lot of saris, Banarasis, Dhakais or any mix and match, if you can mix and match with other saris also. See this combination, dark green and red combination. To get this particular product you have to pre-book, because since these are 1-2 pieces of each sari, so prior booking is important. Product number 11. This is the last of the Kora I will be showing you in this episode. This also has Konya Buta, and this is in deep red and burgundy color combination. Deep red, burgundy with Konya Buta, antique zari woven border and booty also. 13,900. In case I miss out any price or the number, just click on the description part, all details are mentioned. And please do like, share and subscribe. Do leave a comment if you are liking the product, and please recommend your friends if you have received good service from me. Here is the blouse piece, and this is the sari, red and burgundy. Product number 11. Now I'll shift to crepes. Now this is absolutely new concept. Before I had shown all border pallu or monotones. Now I'll be showing you the new collection of shaded ones in pastels. Shaded new collection, pure crepe Banarasi. See, this is a shading of peach to pink. The upper part is in peach color and the lower part is in pink color. Here is the pallu, and these are in gold zari. Product number 12, 11,900 rupees, product number 12. And this, when once I drape it, you will be able to see the difference in the shade. Peach to pink color combination in pure heavy quality crepe hand woven Banarasi. And here goes the pink blouse piece. And here is the border. Just check out the blouse piece border first, then I'll show you the sari. See the shading? Beautiful shade of peach pink and in pastel. This is the look. $11,900 pure crepe heavy quality Banarasi. Now this is another beautiful shade of sea green and sky blue color combination. Just see the combination. Sea green and sky. Upper part is sea green, the lower part is sky blue. And since these are in pastel shades, antique will not look nice. So I've used light gold zari, which looks equally rich and very good quality. Here is the sari, and once I drape it, you can understand the shade of this also. And the design of the border is also very interesting. See, this is the blouse piece border in sky blue, and the rest of the sari will have this scalloping kind of a border. See, the pallu and the border, it's very, very grand and rich. See, sea green to sky blue color combination with very tiny all over zari buta. This price is also the same range. Now comes product number 14. This will be in orange and deep peach color combination. No, this is pink to orange. That was peachish. This is pinkish. I mean, this upper part will be pink and lower part will be light orange. More or less peach only, just the alternate combination. Light orange and pink color combination. This is the blouse piece, pure crepe, light orange blouse piece. See the combination. Now you can understand the combination. Once I drape it, the look will be visible. The pallu again in orange, light orange, 14, product number 14, 11,900. This is the sari. Pure crepe, hand woven beauties. Now comes pink to pink, light pink to deep pink. Here is the pallu, 11,900, product number 15. See, the upper part is a deeper shade of pink than the lower part. 2 tones of pink. Blouse piece. Now you can see the color combination. Now I'll move to the monotones. Black shikarga border and antique zari. Solid color, black solid. See the shikarga border. Shikarga is a traditional form of weaving in Banarasi, and mainly living animals are woven, like the deer, the elephant, peacocks. These are all woven in the border. This is the lovely pallu. 10,500 rupees, 10,500. Product number 16. Just see the interesting animal weave in and the peacock weave in between these motifs. Solid both side narrow border. Very smart looking sari. You can even wear for corporate evening wear also. And the best part is the rich woven blouse piece in shikarga. Just see the blouse piece. It's absolutely woven in elephant and peacock. You make big sleeves with this, and this is an awesome weave. Only one piece. Now comes the navy antique zari. I myself had worn this in burgundy in one of the episodes. Now I've made this in dark navy blue color. One side broader border. Pallu 10,950 rupees, 10,950. Pure crepe, heavy quality, hand woven. And again rich woven Banarasi blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Since these are all in solid colors, I've given rich jal weave Banarasi blouse, and you can wear it with contrast jewelry if you want. Rich navy blue color. Now here comes another color combination in purple. Product number 18. The same thing in purple. This is not burgundy. This is the original purple color. Antique zari. ₹10,950. 18. Product number 18. Hand woven karwal border. Here is the rich woven blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece and here is the sari. Gorgeous color. Again in crepe, product number 19, 11,900 in biscuit color, beige color and red combination with very very small booty all over. Both sides same narrow border but in contrast. Contrast border, contrast pallu, contrast blouse piece. 11,900. See the combination. I'll show you the border once again closely. Since I'm showing all the products closely and I'm taking time to show you the products, kindly don't ask for the close-up pictures. For those, you can just check out the Facebook page where these will be uploaded. This is the blouse piece in contrast red. Screenshot of the product is must. This is the sari. Rich, gorgeous combination, traditional combination in beige and red color combination with red blouse piece. So this is a very very smart combination, rarely comes in crepe, but I've shown you today two colors in two fabric, kora and also in crepe. Now product number 20. This can be for bridal wear also. Rani and deep orange color combination. Just check out all over chota bota, all over booty. 11,900, product number 20, 11,900. This is similar to what I am wearing, the color combination only changes. Here is the lovely flame color vermilion blouse. Reddish orange, tomato red, I mean it's an orange color only. And here is the blouse piece and the sari. Lovely shade of Rani and orange color combination. Black and red, similar to what I am wearing, 11,900. Black and red combination. Pallu. With red blouse piece. Red blouse, and here is the sari. 11,900, and the one that I am wearing, same price, 11,900 with this blouse piece. This blouse piece, just check out my border. My border is this border. Burgundy and Rani color combination with Rani blouse. Rich woven pallu. This is the sari, and the bangles that I am wearing, these are also available, pair of 4, set of 4. The neck piece is 2,200. It has a lovely top along with this. 2,200. The neck piece, it's premium jewelry, filigree work. 2,200 is for the set, and the same combination in only a different woven border. Just check out this border, it's equally beautiful, and similar pallu, same thing you will get. So my sari, I have got 2 pieces. One is the border that I am wearing, and the other one is this border. Just the difference is this, I am showing you both the borders. One is the paisley border and one is the floral border. So one piece I have both the sari in the same combination, and here again this is the blouse piece. So hope you like the products. Keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you so much. Namaskar.